At ito naman yung City of Vaughan, Ontario, Canada. Ito yung Twin City ng Baguio City.
What's up? Ako po si Captain Shades. Mahilig si Captain Shades, the jack of all trades. Welcome to my channel. We can talk about the food, the travels, sports, entertainment, and just about anything under the sun. Ako ang iyong kapitan, Captain Shades. Samahan niyo ako sa aking paglalakbay. Mga kaibigan, pampag-good vibes lang. Captain Shades.
Magandang araw, nandito tayo ngayon sa Botanical Garden sa Baguio City. At ito naman yung City of Vaughan, Ontario, Canada. Ito yung Twin City ng Baguio City. Shoutout sa inyong lahat. Wow ka talaga! Wow!
Thank you. Welcome. Ganyan ba yung shades? Mukha ko na. Hindi, makukagyan na. Next. Yan, 20 guys. Kuya, tali ko pinaglakad.
What's going on? My name is Captain Shades here in Baguio City. Thank you.